Danang along the beach in the morning is so peaceful, fresh, and cool. So many locals are out early to do exercise, to swim, and to play volleyball. Or some even have already started working since 4 a.m. like these fishermen. Let's walk closer to them and say hi. This is Tork, a very cheerful person. There are 3 generations since his family being fishermen. Today, Tork and his teammates are catching squid from the ocean by using this coracle boat. They have already caught a good amount of squid this morning, and now he is fixing the net to get ready for another catch. Yeah, that was my experience here this morning. I absolutely love it. Now we're heading back to my hotel and getting ready to see Marble Mountains. Marble Mountains, or Ngũ Hành Sơn in Vietnamese. It is a famous place in Danang and consists of 5 marble mountains representing 5 elements: water, wood, fire, metal, and earth. We're right now at the east entrance of Marble Mountains. There are 108 steps leading to our first stop. It's Linh Pagoda. I know it's a little bit of the walk, but I think it will be a good exercise for us. Linh in Vietnamese means wishes answered miraculously. There are 3 Linh pagodas in Danang. One is here, one is on Tra Peninsula, which we will visit later this afternoon, and one in Bana Hills. The Linh pagoda here is the oldest one amongst the 3. It was built in 1825. And this is the place where I met Grandma Ai.
Bán nhang ở đây bao nhiêu năm rồi bà? 30 năm.
I didn't have any intention to buy incense at all, but I was moved by her adorable smiles, so I wanted to support her. Grandma Ai has such a big love for Marble Mountains that she could write beautiful poems about the place.
Dừng chân hương gió, lòng phơi phới, lòng bước địa đòn và đắm say.
She explains, when we get to the wind cave, we enjoy it so much that we don't want to leave. Yeah.
Ý gì ở trong đó chứ vợ dễ dây ra câu.
Những bài thơ này là ai sáng tác vậy bà?
Chị tự bò ở sống ở đây, dân ở đây thì biết hết cái bò. Riêng cậu nợ mà cậu vợ cậu chồng 100 năm hạnh phúc mà đầu bọt răng lòng, đi tươi về tóc rồi đi một vợ là có chồng.
Chắc con cũng lên con cầu quá. One of the things that I really enjoy while traveling is to connect with the locals and learn about their stories as well as their lives. Now, let's keep exploring. There are so many caves hidden away in Marble Mountains. Some are big and some are small like this one. It is very slippery, so you have to be very extra careful if you decide to climb up to the top of the mountain. Oh my god!
Oh, that's pretty cool.
It's hard. Wow. And, ladies and gentlemen, right now we're driving to Tra Peninsula. Tra Peninsula is 10 kilometers away from the center of Danang City, and it is 693 meters higher than the sea level. If you love nature and riding motorbike, this place is a perfect place for you. In the past, the US troops used to name Tra Peninsula as Monkey Mountain because there were so many monkeys living here. This is Linh Pagoda in Tra Peninsula. The place is famous for its peace, tranquility, beauty, architecture, and the big statue of Lady Buddha. With a height of 67 meters, the statue here is now the tallest statue of Lady Buddha in Vietnam. The locals here believe that the statue of Lady Buddha protects the fishermen and Danang from big storms and strong waves. Delicious.